Right, Kalpeshi, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What's the word you're hearing about this grand launch?
Well, the word that I'm hearing about is going to be a very fast sellout. Yeah.
It will be for sure. You know what I'm hearing from everyone? They're saying you've done such a fabulous job by bringing this out right now. You're going to have a first mover advantage into Ras Al Khaimah at the time when it's booming so much with such a beautiful location and amenities, the fittings that you spoke about, the payment plan, just with everything, you are so spot on.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, so I think Pantheon by itself is a company that believes in disruption. And we have done it we were the first players in JVC to come up with a 10-year post-handover payment plan. And now we are the first players to launch a project in RAK Central.
Yeah.
And I think RAK Central, the beauty of RAK Central is that it's the only project that gives you, after DIFC, an integrating living in UAE.
Yeah.
And that's what I love about this project.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Pantheon didn't want to lose this opportunity, and they would never lose that. Yeah.
So when you were coming up with this, I mean, you were putting together, things that would be the USPs of this. What in your mind was like, bas ye dal diya na, aise sell out hoga?
Number 1, location. Yeah. Number 2, views, and number 3, timing. अगर ये 3 मिल जाता है ना, तो it's like a jackpot for any developers. And with One Central, we have the best of location overlooking the Alhambra golf course, the Wynn Casino, the Arabian Sea. It's like you can see the horizon from your balcony.
Yeah.
Number 2 is the views. The most stunning views you get from all sides of the building.
Correct.
If you look at it, you get it from all sides of the building.
Yep.
The Wynn Casino and the golf and the sea is unrestricted. You can see all the iconic landmarks of Marjan from your balcony.
Yeah.
So this is the beauty of this project. And third is the timing. Everybody knows 2027, when the casino is going to come,
Exactly.
is going to cling a lot of money. And a project of this value, this price, this payment plan, this location, it's very difficult to get. So when I saw this, it was love at first sight. Yeah.
Well, I think you've done an incredible job with this. And not just that, even with the launch today here at Coca-Cola Arena, where the best concerts happen, people are amazed. They're like, Coca-Cola Arena mein aap property launch kar rahe ho?
So Pantheon is all about creating the right vibe. It's not just selling apartments.
Yeah.
And it's very important that we are able to create the right vibe for our customers when they move into our projects or when they move into any of our communities. And I think that vibe of the project was reflecting at the arena today.
True.
Yeah, and we could see everybody was mesmerized with the music, the food, and the turnout. I mean, I'm humbled. I never knew that this will be the kind of turnout. We had to literally close down the registrations yesterday. We made radio announcement, please, we can't take more.
It was absolutely fully booked out.
And this is the love. This is the love, and this is very humbling for us. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
We wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much.
And you were right. This is definitely going to sell out very, very fast.
Yes.
We hope all our agents and brokers that we have given an exclusive sneak peek today get their hands on it very, very
Well,
soon.
for those who couldn't make it because it was a packed stadium, you can download the QR code now and get on business.
Absolutely. Lovely.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure talking to you.